It's all for the love of moto tonight. And then you've got this guy grilling. All right, you guys. We got a 2025 New Year's refresh for our 2022 CRF250R. Gonna go hit the Red Plate Cafe and then probably a couple pit tracks. Watching some Supercross before A1 out here at Fox Raceway.
Don't let Austin see that I'm using 3 paper towels. He's gonna flip a brick. Then you fold it up like this and like this. Handy.
It's for the love of moto tonight, bros.
Everything's for the love of moto, bros.
Everything. All right, you guys. We got a 2025 New Year's refresh for our 2022 CRF250R. Rebuilt engine by XPR Motors. If you know, you know. I've got Tusk parts adding up out of necessity for replacement. So brack brake, because I bent it, the stock one, and then OE shifter was worn out, so we have a Tusk shifter. Still on some factory levers, you know, replacements or whatever, probably. I had to put the Renthal bars back on because it had some Pro Taper SX bars. Added some Motion Pro bleeders. But I've been on this sprocket, which is a Supersprox sprocket. Funny story about that, I'll tell you in a second. And presumably a DID gold chain. I don't know about the front sprocket from looking just like that. So I actually thought this was a Renthal sprocket this whole time, not just because it says it right here. That was just, you know, part of the whole situation. But it's a Supersprox, which is sick because that's what I picked out of. I literally picked the same one because it's such a good sprocket for the price. So we're gonna make that change and we're gonna run this sick DRD chain. And I've got some fresh wheels, some Tusk impact wheels. Scored those, wrapped in some brand new Dunlop MX34s. And that was out of necessity too, because we are on MX33s, you guys, that are cracked, they're dry, they're missing knobbies. I kid you not, there's cracks in here. See that? There's bigger ones. Sections missing knobbies. Look at how worn this is compared to this. Oh, it's gonna be so sick. So yeah, anyways, let's go see if I can get my mechanic Tyler Charles at Road to Moto and get him to help me out with this. Fired up. I'm gonna clean this up, get the shop ready, but don't change a thing. Tyler got the front brake rotor done.
That's the rear.
Sorry, rear. Mystery foot pound, you guys. You're gonna be stoking on that one.
No, it's not a mystery foot pound. It was just
we
We had it set at 15 when I was torquing it down, and then it bumped up to 25.
Ooh, what?
But I didn't snug them up.
Yeah.
I snugged them up on 15.
We checked them at 12.
Yeah, they're at 12 though, and they needed just a little bit of adjustment at 12.
Yeah, they're not too much over if they are over. Anyways, rear sprocket going on, rear sprocket hardware going on.
I love building 25s in the freezing cold, even though he said something about a heated shop.
Yeah, diesel heater is not working right now because the plug is being stupid on it. 12 volt, but oh yeah, it's going down. Oh, buddy. There's another look at the old one. Sheesh. Heater for 25. Heater. All right, we got our drive sprocket nuts. No, what? Bolts. 23 foot-pounds.
Something.
Well, didn't make much progress last night. So, waiting for a couple parts to come in. I want to get a replacement inner chain guide piece for that chain guide block. All right, so like I was saying, pausing on the big bike work. We got the minis loaded up. We're going to Fox. Do some spectating and a little ride. Made it out to the track. Homie's getting his brake dialed in. Beautiful day. Fox Raceway, Southern California. Gonna go hit the Red Plate Cafe and then probably a couple pit tracks. Got a casual Bowl Boy and Biggie Zoid over here. Watching the main track triple step up. Watch this green guy coming around. Watching some Supercross before A1 out here at Fox Raceway.
Super lucky.
Casual, really. Homie right here pulled off, but he was ripping.
He's cutting the track right here.
Well, got them all loaded up. It was a good day at Fox. We're out of here. See you next time. So I ordered a new chain guide insert, but we're not gonna let that stop us because we have to ride. So we're gonna keep moving forward, which means we have to take the front sprocket off. Guess what? I've never done that before. But that's why we have this fan right here. So let us know your favorite way to do it, and we're gonna do it whichever way we end up doing it. Hopefully not with a pry bar next to the case, because that sounds like a bad idea.
That sounds like a real bad idea.
We got the grips on already. These new lock-on grips from Renthal. They're the tube is integrated. I'm sure that's, you know, a thing with lock-on grips already, but so we had to open this up, which I needed to clean this out anyways. Changed out the Works Connection one I had in there for this Renthal lock-on one. Although only that side's locked on, which is kind of funny. This one's held by the throttle. But yeah, keep on keeping on. Finally got that front sprocket bolt out. Yes, sir. Stood on the rear tire, put this chain back on, and used a breaker bar.
See, right now is when we need to be getting the chain dialed, right? Oh no, because we got to take the front sprocket off.
Yeah. We definitely got to measure them up and all that though.
Get this shit cleaned up.
Freshy. What do we get?
We got it.
How botched is it? Oh geez. What do you think, guys? Did he bar this chain up or did he blow it? We're gonna find out. Botch or blow, which one is it? He's got his go fasts on.
I'm hauling ass.
Fresh wheels going on, that took long enough. We got the chain on. Just put a little bit of grease on those spacers. Got that new front sprocket on. Oh yeah, that chain, baby. The doctor is dialing me in. Chains on, wheels on, adjustment blocks are on, adjusting, commencing. Oof. Wait, we got the things underneath. Ending off the day with a little shoot at Fiesta. Right next to it. Yeah. Tyler's Bayside Grill.
Anywhere grill. Grill's mounted right here on the hauler on the side job.
Anywhere you want. Tyler's Bayside Grill catering.
Only do parties of 7. You have to own one dirt bike.